If you've been using Suno for a while, you've probably run into this problem. You write a great set of lyrics, pick the perfect genre, hit generate, and the vocal comes out flat. It stays at the same level of energy from the beginning to the end. The AI singer might be hitting the right notes, but there's no soul because there's no change in the physical effort of the performance. In the real world, singers don't just sing at the same level. They use different vocal registers throughout their songs. They might start a song with a breathy whisper, move into a solid speaking voice for the verse, and then push their voice to the absolute limit for the big chorus. Today, I'm going to show you how to recreate that in Suno using vocal register tags. These tags let you guide the pitch range, breathiness, and physical effort of the vocal, giving you real control over how a performance feels, not just how it sounds. Let's get into it. Here we have our available vocal registers: falsetto, chest voice, head voice, mixed voice, whispered, spoken word, raspy, and belted. So, yes, these are the vocal register tags. But the key is using them strategically, based on the singer's character and the emotion of each section. For example, falsetto is best suited for a light, airy, high-pitched vocal character, and it works well for ethereal, dreamy moments. On the other hand, chest voice is for powerful, grounded characters, perfect for confident delivery, and Suno understands this language. Think of these tags as your tools for emotional mapping. It is very important that you match the register tag to the specific emotional requirement of each song section. For example, if your lyrics imply intimacy, you can go with the whispered register. By choosing the right register, you're telling the AI what the character is feeling at that exact moment. So let's take a look at these lyrics. We've assigned falsetto to the airy, ethereal intro, chest voice to the grounded conversational verse, and belted to the chorus for maximum impact, which is written in uppercase for emphasis. For this, we'll hit create without specifying a style.
But then I woke up to reality, walking through these empty streets. I won't give up, I'll carry on.
Did you hear that? The vocals start off light and ethereal, then progress step by step into a very powerful delivery towards the end. It is exactly what we asked for, and Suno has understood our request well. Now, let's talk about the limitations, because as powerful as this trick is, it isn't foolproof. To get consistent results, you need to know why this trick sometimes fails so you don't waste your credits. First, this trick may fail when your tempo is very fast. If your song is too fast, the AI simply doesn't have enough room to make that vocal shift clearly. It will prioritize hitting the rhythm over changing the register. And make sure your lyrics are not too dense. If you cram 20 syllables into a 3-second line, the AI defaults to a flat delivery just to get the words out. For a beautiful falsetto or a powerful belt, you have to give the singer space to hold the notes. Also, this trick might fail if you overdo the tags. If you change the register every 2 lines, the singer will sound erratic and glitchy. One register for one section is more than enough. Just stick to 3 or 4 changes for the whole song. Finally, this trick can also fail if you contradict your genre. For example, if your style prompt is soft lofi piano, but your tag says belted, the AI will get confused and produce distorted audio. Your style prompt and your register tags need to support each other. And if you want to master this trick, you need to follow these 4 rules. Focus on structural shifts. Apply changes between verses and choruses only. Build a performance arc. Work it to start soft and ramp up the intensity as the track progresses. Match emotion to technique. Use whispered or falsetto for vulnerable moments and belted for triumphs. Keep it simple. Less is more. Alright, so let's put all of this together into one final prompt. This is a complete performance arc designed to show off exactly what Suno can do when it's directed properly. For the style prompt, we'll use a cinematic dynamic rock style.
The shadows start to fade far away. I sat alone for way too long, just waiting for a sign to come along. Looking at the walls in this quiet room, waiting for the light to break the gloom. And now the sound is breaking through the air. I'm breaking free, I'm coming alive. No more secrets.
That is amazing. It really does have that professional radio-ready quality here. But hey, notice the journey with the vocal registers. We started with that thin, airy falsetto. We moved into a grounded chest voice. We used a mixed voice to bridge the gap and then exploded into a belted chorus. We even used a whispered bridge in parentheses to create a moment of internal thought before the final payoff. By using these tags, you've stopped being a prompter and you've become a producer. You're directing the physical effort of the singer to match the soul of the song. Try this on your next Suno track and you'll hear the difference immediately. If this helped you move away from that flat, generic AI sound, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the science of AI music production. Happy producing! I will see you in the next one.